Wow! Beautiful split-level home in desired area close to bases, mall, and beach. Huge eat-in kitchen with a formal living room and separate family room. You get all this and so much more in this split-level home. New air conditioner, furnace, new fridge, original hardwood floors throughout home, front foyer, big open eat-in kitchen, formal living room, step-down or sunken fam room west/half bath and laundry room. Bonus: do you want or need a first-floor bedroom? Sunken living room can be easily converted to a bedroom. If you want a full bath, you can convert the large laundry room to a full bath and use the half bath for the laundry room. Ask for details. Second floor is a split-level design west/nice size bedrooms, full bath, then 2 steps up, you get a huge primary bedroom, another full bath, linen closet and a very nice 4th bedroom. The attached garage holds 1 car, new driveway pad holds 5 cars. Parking pad extends into the backyard for RV/boat. Huge shed in backyard conveys with home.